Beginner's Guide to AI Tools. No experience needed. If you think AI is too complicated or only for tech people, this video is for you. In the next few minutes, I'll show you how beginners can start using AI tools with no experience at all. What is AI? Simple explanation. AI simply means tools that can think, write, design, or edit for you. Instead of doing everything manually, AI helps you work faster and smarter. You don't need to be a programmer. You just need to know how to use the tools. AI tool number 1, Chat. ChatGPT helps you write and think faster. You can use it to write messages and emails, create YouTube scripts, learn new skills, get ideas instantly. You simply type what you want, and it responds. AI tool number 2, Canva AI. Canva AI helps you design without design skills. You can create thumbnails, posters, presentations, social media posts. You just type what you want, and Canva designs it for you. AI tool number 3, CapCut AI. CapCut AI helps you edit videos easily. It can add captions automatically, sync voice to video, add effects and transitions. This makes content creation much easier for beginners. How to start? Very important. Start with just one AI tool. Practice using it daily. Don't try to learn everything at once. Consistency is more important than perfection. AI is not here to replace you. It's here to help you. If you want more simple AI guides like this, subscribe to AI Made Simple.